Hi everyone! In this video, I will explain to you how to use segment as a CDP beginner's tutorial. But first, what is this segment? Segment is a popular customer data platform that helps businesses collect, unify, and activate customer data across various touchpoints. In this beginner's tutorial, we'll walk through how to use segment as a CDP. Now on setting up a segment account, go to segment and sign up for an account. Once sign up, create a new workspace where you'll store all your customer data. Then install segments analytics.js library. Copy the provided JavaScript snippet from the segment dashboard, paste it right before the closing head tag of your website's HTML. Now, define your sources. Sources represent where your data is coming from. In segment, you can define sources such as web for websites, mobile app for iOS and Android, and cloud apps for server-side data. From your segment's workspace, click on Sources tab to add a new source. Follow the on-screen instruction based on your platform. For example, web, mobile, server, etc. Now, track events. Segment enables you to track user actions across your digital channels. For example, you might want to track when a user signs up for your website, clicks a specific button, or makes a purchase. Use the analytics.track method to track this event. You can define custom event names and properties for better insights into user behaviors. Now, configure destinations. Destinations are external tools where you want to send your data. Example, email, platform, CRMs, or analytics tools. Segment integrates with over 300 tools. After defining your source and events, go to the Destinations tab in the segment workspace. Now, choose a destination like Google Analytics, Salesforce, etc. and configure the integration. Segment will automatically send the events you track to these tools. Now, unify your customer data. One of Segment's key feature is its ability to unify customer data across different touchpoints. If you're tracking data from your website, mobile app, and other sources, Segment can merge that information into a single customer profile. Segment uses a process called Identify to track individual users across platform. Now when you call Identify, Segment links all future actions of that user to the same profile, helping you build a unified customer record. Now, use personas for advanced segmentation, although this is optional. Segment also offers segment personas, which lets you segment users based on attributes and behaviors. You can set up audience condition like all users who sign up in the past 30 days or users who made a purchase over $100. This allows for more targeted messaging, analysis, and personalized experience across platform. Now, for data privacy and compliance, Segment is compliant with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Ensure that you set up proper consent management for collecting user data. Segments allows you to handle consent preferences and implement data retention policies. Now, monitor your data. Segment provides a debugger tool that's let you monitor the data being sent to your destinations in real time. This is useful for troubleshooting or verifying that your events are tracked correctly. Check the Events tab to see the events you've sent and whether they've been successfully delivered to your destinations. Now, Iterate and optimize. Once you have the data flowing, use your destinations to gain insights and take actions based on the customer data. For example, you can use customer data in marketing campaigns, personalizations, and reporting. Now, in conclusion, Segment provides an easy to use platform for unifying and activating your customer data. And that's basically it.